3D swoosh, I'm here for it. What's going on, everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force One High 3D swoosh Chenille pack. Now, we've already reviewed the Air Force One Low in the Chenille pack, and this is the high top variation. Also, there's rumors of a blue and white pair coming out, but I haven't seen much on that except for a couple of pictures. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Nike Air Force One box, so you've got the black box with the metallic silver swoosh in the middle. And the colorway is gem red, white, and blue void. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The whole shoe has a tumble leather upper, and this is all gem red. And you also have the two-tone Chenille swoosh to give it that 3D design. Taking a look at the toe, you have a gem red toe, and this is tumble leather. And you also have the perforated toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you have the nylon tongue, and this is gem red, along with the flat red laces and the blue ankle strap. Also, you've got the blue tongue tag with the white Nike Air logo. Insole is blue with a white Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Chenille Nike swoosh, and it's blue void and white. And the blue outlines the white to give it kind of like a 3D appearance, which I think is really cool. Moving towards the heel, you've got the red tumble leather extending around the shoe from the lateral to the medial, as well as the blue back tab and the white Nike swoosh. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the gem red tumble leather, as well as the blue void and white Nike swoosh, and you've got the blue ankle strap. The shoe has a white rubber midsole and sits on a white rubber outsole. In comparison to the low top pair, I like the low top pair a little bit more than the high top pair, and I think it's just preference. The white colorway looks a little bit better with the blue and red swoosh over the white and blue swoosh, but that's just personal preference for me. But both colorways are also pretty solid nonetheless. Quality-wise, this is nothing extraordinary. The tumble leather isn't soft. It's more like, it feels more like regular leather, but the Chenille swoosh is very soft, and that's kind of to be expected because this is basically like a wool design, so you wouldn't want that to be too rough. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Force One Chenille swoosh hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 20th for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.